Okay, my friend, welcome to my video how to get free traffic to your affiliate links. I make this video because I am getting a lot of emails from my followers and my customers how to get free traffic to affiliate links, how to get leads, and how to get sales. Okay, so free traffic. You can join Trafpost, okay, trafpost.net. Okay, you can see the URL, the link here. You can join and get free traffic. Hit4hit.org. This is also free traffic. This is a traffic exchange. You can join and add your website and get free traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, next 10k hits. You can see here the URL. It's also a software that you can get free traffic to your affiliate link. Like I said, it's free. Okay, next trafup.net. You can see here the URL. This is a free traffic. Okay, free traffic. Just copy the URL, sign up, add your link, and get free traffic. Hitlip.com. It's free traffic. It's a traffic exchange software. All you have to do is sign up for free, add your link, and you have to download a software to your PC and open it and receive traffic. Okay, this is a traffic exchange, and you can get hundreds of traffic for free. That was a free traffic. Now, if you want paid and very cheap traffic, you can visit safe for traffic safe traffic rotator.com. It's very cheap traffic that you can see here. You can get 25,000 visitors, only $15. Okay, now if you want more free traffic, I think the best traffic that you can get is YouTube. I just want to show you my account with YouTube. Like you see here, I have over 6,500 subscribers and over 1 million views. You can see here my real time every hour, over 200 visitors. Last 48 hours I get over 8,000 views to my videos. Of course, some of these views is visitors to my affiliate links. Okay, so if you're searching for free traffic, you can use YouTube, Hitlip, trafup.net, 10khits.com, and heat.org, and you can use trafpost.net. This is a free traffic, and if you want to test a safe traffic rotator, so you can use this website safetrafficrotator.com and choose your package. It's very cheap packages, and get traffic to your website. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and have a good day and good luck. Thank you very much.